Imagine turning a single dollar into a staggering 700 million. Sounds impossible, right? Well, a group of savvy Japanese housewives did just that through Forex trading. Their incredible journey from kitchen tables to global markets has shocked the financial world and left experts scrambling to uncover their secrets. So, are you ready to learn how? Well, welcome to the world of Forex trading, where currencies clash and fortunes are made in the blink of an eye. It's a 24/7 global marketplace where trillions of dollars change hands daily. But don't let the big numbers scare you. With the right knowledge, anyone can dive and profit. So, today I'll take you to how Japanese housewives outsmarted global finance systems for massive gains. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Now, let me be honest with you. Forex trading isn't all glitz and glamour. It's a battlefield where the unprepared often get burned. First-timers face a minefield of challenges that can make or break their trading careers. Many newbies jump in thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme, only to find themselves drowning in a sea of complicated charts and jargon. They're bombarded with conflicting advice, leaving them paralyzed with indecision. And let's not forget the emotional roller coaster. The thrill of a win, quickly followed by the gut-wrenching pain of a loss. Then there's the tech hurdle. Trading platforms can look like airplane cockpits, intimidating even the most tech-savvy among us. And don't even get me started on risk management. It's the unsexy but crucial aspect that many overlook, often leading to blown accounts and shattered dreams. But perhaps the biggest misconception is thinking you need a finance degree or insider knowledge to succeed. This myth keeps countless potential traders on the sidelines, missing out on life-changing opportunities. Now, with that out of the way, how about we dive into the secret sauce that turned these ordinary Japanese housewives into Forex trading ninjas? Let's start off with number 1, the power of the collective. Now, first things first. These ladies didn't go solo. They formed trading groups faster than you can say sushi. Think of it as a book club, but instead of discussing the latest romance novel, they're swapping currency pair insights. These quote-unquote Forex housewife clubs became hotbeds of shared knowledge, where members could bounce ideas off each other and learn from collective experiences. Imagine if your local knitting circle suddenly started discussing pip values and resistance levels. That's essentially what happened here. These groups created a supportive environment where mistakes were learning opportunities, not career enders. It's like having a team of cheerleaders and coaches rolled into one, all while sipping green tea. Number 2, embracing the Zaiteku mindset. The term Zaiteku means financial engineering in Japanese, and these housewives embraced it like it was the latest Marie Kondo decluttering method. They approach Forex trading not as a gamble, but as a calculated science. They weren't throwing darts at a currency board. They were meticulously analyzing economic indicators and market trends. Think of it this way. If managing a household budget was a game of checkers, these women upgraded to 3D chess. They applied the same precision they used in planning family meals to planning their trades. Who knew that balancing the household books could be such a great trainer for balancing a Forex portfolio? Number 3, the art of patience. In a world of instant gratification, these housewives channeled their inner bonsai tree growers. They understood that like nurturing a miniature tree, Forex success requires patience, precision, and a long-term perspective. They weren't looking for overnight riches. They were building financial dynasties. While others were trying to catch every market hiccup, These ladies were as steady as a sumo wrestler. They waited for the perfect setups, often holding positions for weeks or even months. It's like they were playing the long game in a world of day traders with the attention span of a goldfish. Number 4. Risk management. Here's where our housewives really flexed their muscles. They treated risk management like it was the holy grail of Forex trading. Because let's face it, it kind of is. They never risked more than 1 to 2% of their account on a single trade. It's like they were on a financial diet, carefully portioning out their risk like they would calories in a bento box. This approach meant they could weather the storms that would sink less cautious traders. While others were going all in like it was their last hand in a poker game, these women were spreading their bets like they were dealing with a particularly fussy toddler's plate. Number 5. The carry trade strategy. Now let's talk about their signature move, the carry trade. This strategy is like finding a coupon for free money, and these housewives clipped it with the fervor of extreme couponers. The carry trade involves borrowing in a low-interest currency like the Japanese yen and investing in a high-interest currency. It's like taking out a low-interest loan to buy a high-yield savings account. The difference? Pure profit. Our savvy housewives rode this strategy to the bank, capitalizing on interest rate differentials like they were hunting for the best deals at a clearance sale. Number 6. Continuous learning. These women treated Forex education like it was the latest K-drama. They couldn't get enough of it. They devoured books, attended seminars, and even hired professional traders as mentors. It was like they were preparing for the financial Olympics, and they were going for gold. They understood that in the ever-changing Forex landscape, standing still is the same as moving backward. So they kept pushing, kept learning, kept evolving. It's like they took the concept of Kaizen, which is continuous improvement, and applied it to their trading with the dedication of a samurai warrior. Number 7. Leveraging technology. Don't let the quote-unquote housewife title fool you. These women were tech-savvy traders who could make Silicon Valley geeks blush. They embraced trading platforms, automated systems, and data analysis tools with the enthusiasm of teenagers getting the latest smartphone. They use algorithms to analyze market trends, set up alerts for potential trades, and even employed automated trading systems. It's like they took the precision of a Japanese bullet train and applied it to their winning strategy. Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? These housewives were pulling off digital backflips. Number 8. Emotional discipline. Here's where our heroines really shined. They mastered their emotions like Zen masters. You know, in a market that can swing wilder than a karaoke night after too much sake, they remained cool, calm, and collected. They didn't let the fear drive them to panic sell, nor did they let greed push them into overtrading. It's like they had an emotional circuit breaker, cutting off the power to fear and greed before it could short-circuit their strategy. While others were riding the emotional roller coaster, these ladies were as steady as Mount Fuji. And then we have number 9, the power of discipline. Last but not least, these women had the discipline of a Shaolin monk. They stuck to their trading plans with the tenacity of a sumo wrestler holding their ground. No impulsive trades, no chasing losses, and no deviating from the strategy. They treated their trading like a business, not a casino. They kept meticulous records, regularly reviewed their performance, and always stuck to their risk management rules. It's like they built a financial dojo, where discipline and strategy reigned supreme. If you think this was just a simple fluke and it would never happen again, well, how about you picture this? It's 2008 and the global financial crisis is in full swing. Markets are crashing, economies are teetering, and most traders are running for the hills. But our Japanese housewives, they're gearing up for the trade of a lifetime. in a moment of collective brilliance or madness depending on who you ask, they decide to go all in on the US dollar. While the world saw America as a sinking ship, these women saw a sleeping giant about to wake up. They poured their combined capital into long USD positions, betting big that Uncle Sam would bounce back. And boy, did it pay off. As the dust settled and the US economy began its recovery, their Forex accounts exploded like a sake bottle left in the freezer. Overnight, their collective wealth skyrocketed from millions to hundreds of millions. And this wasn't just luck. It was the culmination of years of learning, analyzing, and preparing. They had the knowledge to spot the opportunity, the courage to seize it, and the discipline to manage it. In that pivotal moment, they transformed from successful traders into Forex legends. Basically, the Japanese Housewives Forex success story teaches us that with the right strategy, unwavering discipline, and a dash of courage, anyone can conquer the Forex market. Remember, it's not about flashy trades or gut feelings. It's about consistent learning, smart risk management, and seizing opportunities others miss. Also, if you could ask these Japanese Forex millionaires one question about their trading strategy, what would it be? Drop your burning questions in the comments below. And well, that's basically how Japanese housewives outsmarted global finance systems for massive gains. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube think that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.